All right, so we're back again. Me and Sam.
Are you recording now?
Yeah.
What?
We took the car down up to Healdsburg and down back along the river. Kaliani and Kat are up the river. We're walking to meet them right now. Don't touch my pockets. Look at this guy.
Are there any trash,
so
why are
we're
there
gonna,
trash cans here?
We're gonna try to hitchhike maybe.
Goodness. How do you eat some fennel?
Yeah, eat some fennel. So.
Isn't that kind of beautiful?
Eat it.
Look how pretty that is.
So true.
Look at that, actually. Genuinely.
This is beautiful.
I mean, yeah.
Look at the pattern. Look at the patterns.
Yeah. Unironically.
All right, so we're gonna try to hitchhike though.
Should we?
Yeah. Trying to hitchhike? No.
Now we're bored.
What the? You just put me off. What the? What? Why would he do that? What?
Did he actually?
What did he do? Are you joking? What? Why?
Really?
Why would he do that?
Did he actually?
Yes, he did.
I hate rural America. God. Why are we like this? Did he actually?
Yes, he did.
Like a full bird?
Yes, he was like.
No. No.
Let's go over there, Michael. You got a direction.
Okay, I'm still looking for him. Oh God. I can't believe you guys.
We lost you.
All right. Okay, wait here. Hold this, Sam. I got it. I'll take it from here. Yeah, I'm talking to the camera.
Have you idea where the car is?
Yes, it's at Beaver fucking Park. We'll get there.
Badger.
Same difference. Some brown fucking mammal.
Guys, where is the car?
It's probably right here.
Do you guys know or not?
Yes. No, we don't know.
Calling.
Okay, let's go, guys.
Where? Should we actually call out to the town?
No.
No. Wait, do you have a phone? No, I'm saying, do you have a phone? Oh, wait, here. Might pull the phone. Why are we Googling? We can use Google.
Well, I know for a fact it's not. I know for a fact we have not gone far. I'm like sure of that. No,
No, we don't have.
there's no. We have to go too.
Okay,
Please don't touch my foot.
you were touching your foot.
Ow.
He's been this whole time. I asked him, he said, okay, and he said if he had put it in gone wet. Here.
And that's true. Wait, Sam, what are you doing? Sam, grab it and toss it out. No, Sam, I'm holding on. Okay, fine.
You want it? Okay.
Okay, Sam, wait, look.
Michael literally said.
Okay, Sam, just hold on. Just tie it to Sam's dick.
No.
Just hold on.
The short surface to tie it to. Look at this rock I found. So, it's in the Russian, the bed of the Russian River in California, and right here on the ground. And you might think it's ordinary, but look, when I pick it up, it's already crumbling in my hand. And what I can do is I can just like gently press, and it just comes off. It's a full-size solid rock, but I think it's a geometry sedentary rock. And they're very fragile due to their formation only 10,000 years ago. This is what Sam told me, by the way. So I'm just gonna press. It's not about how hard you press, it's about where you press. So I'm just gonna press it a few times. Ow. See, like, it's solid, but then okay, whatever. As you can see, it breaks off really easily compared to the other rocks. So that's one rock. Now, if we try this rock, for example, nothing will happen. Because this rock was formed 20,000 years ago, when Earth was made by God. And that's about it for the vlog. See you in the next one. Very nice. Good job, Sam. So Sam is showing us how to ride a paddleboard down a river. This is his technique.
Just clearly it.
What do you mean? So, okay, as of now, Colony and Cat capsized. Sam lost his fishing rod in the river. And I'm doing 10 out of 10. But no, I don't know how to ride the paddleboard. And so this is what we're being shown. Good job, Sam. But yeah, Russian River, California. Would recommend. Cat and Colony are still back there. They've had a bit of a rough go at it. But we're having fun. Sam is currently, wow, he's actually zooming. I don't know how I'm going to, wait, Sam, wait up. My walking path ends up here. And we're only, we haven't been walking for that long. Or at least I have not been. We're about a mile down the river with about a mile left to go. It's been like 5 hours. It's very slow pace. And I gotta be back for dinner. So, what? Here they come. Over there. Yeah. All right, can I get on? You want me to sit in the front?
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Like right here, maybe.
Yeah.
If you could do that.
I feel like we're gonna be too backloaded though.
Oh my god. Can they not try this fucking...
I don't think the GoPro. I don't know if the GoPro can see it, but they're sideways. Oh wait, Sam, am I in the front?
What?
Am I in the front? I'm gonna be in the front, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Here's the setup. To the left.
Crazy. Wait, left how?
This way. I have to get my foot up here. It's so deep. Like this, I can't grasp anything. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh my gosh, this incline is crazy.
There's so many fucking fish here, dude.
This incline is actually
there's so many
psycho.
fish here. There's like actually like.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to put. Thank you, Sam. Yeah, I will.
Alright, see you at Memorial. Whatever.
Yeah, sounds good. Thanks. Okay. So scuffed. And my feet are my Air Force Ones are already how am I gonna do this? I'm gonna grab onto this or this. Maybe I can grab onto this. I wonder if I can grab this. Okay. We're better up now. That's a fucking. It's a thorn. My hair hat is caught. I'm gonna put this here. Okay.
Alright, guys. Hop back in.
Yeah?
Is that a good spot?
It'll work. Okay. So, I'll just grab these.
Michael, it was like private property maybe.
Ouch. Ouch. This bramble is hurting. Let's see if I can get it. Ah. It's into my shoulder, but it's okay. Alright, now it's in the lift jack. Alright. It's hard because I have to worry about my legs just as much as my shirt. And now Sam's saying I'm climbing onto private property. But honestly, like, whatever. Yeah, it's hard because, ouch, my legs are, I'm only wearing boxers. And so, right now, like, my butt just got pinched. Oh my gosh. Shit. I almost just fell. Okay. Mostly up. Thank you. There's a house. So, turns out. Yeah. There's Sam and Cat all the way down there, and Kalyani. Oh gosh. Oh wait, no, is there a walking path?